Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited to be showing you guys how I got this look right here. I love it. I think it's such a fun look, especially paired with this hairstyle and with these hoop earrings. I just love, love, love how this look came out. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm priming my eyelids. I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. This is in the original formula, but you can use anything to prime your eyes as long as you make sure you're priming them. Going into the Huda Beauty palette, I will list all the names of the eyeshadows down below. I'm going to pick up that really beautiful purple color on a blending brush, and I'm just going to make sure that I'm blending that color back and forth in my crease and really buffing it out. You want this color to really show through once you've put the other colors on your lid, so it's really important that you're buffing this out and really blending it up towards your brow bone, but not taking it too high. Next, going in with a more detailed brush and this really beautiful saffron color. It's this beautiful red and it works so well with the purple. I'm going to pick that up and I'm going to put that in the crease of my eyelid and kind of focusing it on the inner and outer corner of my eyelid as well. Once I have it in the place that I want, I just go in with that same blending brush that I used to blend out the purple earlier, and I'm going to blend everything out to make sure everything is blended really nicely with all the colors. Now on a synthetic brush, I'm picking up this beautiful color and I'm placing that all over my eyelid. I'm using this as my eyelid color because it adds a little bit of sheen and color, but it doesn't take too much attention away from the really beautiful colors we had earlier. And to make sure everything's nicely blended, I'm just going to do one final blending with that first brush we were using. Now to highlight the underbrow bone area, I'm just going to pick up this light color in the palette. It's the lightest color they have. I thought it would actually be too dark for me, but it worked out okay. So I'm just using that underneath my brow bone area, and then it's time for the face. I am prepping my face with the Fenty Universal Primer, just placing that all over my skin, really massaging it in. And then I'm going in with my MAC Studio Sculpt Foundation in the color NC45. It is really sunny here in Toronto, so I have gotten a really big tan and I need to probably get a darker foundation shade. I haven't yet, and as you can see, as I started to blend this out, I kind of realized that my foundation looked very pale on me. So I have to do a lot of blending and a lot of different applications of colors before I actually could make the foundation work. For those of you who are in sunny areas and you are getting a tan this summer too, just my tip for you would definitely just be blend, 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 blend. That's the only thing I can really tell you. And just make sure that if you can get a foundation that is a darker shade. Once I was blending out my foundation, I went in with my concealer. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and then I'm going in and blending that out as well. I find that the best thing for me to get the best possible blended effect and flawless look foundation is I like to layer the way I blend. So first I might use my finger, then I might go in with a brush or a beauty blender, then I might go in with a sponge. I just think it looks so much better and it applies so much nicer onto the skin. So once everything's blended, I went in with the Nye Banana Powder and I just placed that in all the areas I had concealer so that my skin could bake while I was going into contour. For contour, I started off with the Makeup Forever concealer in a color that was darker than my skin tone and blended that out with a Sephora Pro Contour brush. And I wanted to take a little break in between contouring, and I just decided to get rid of all the extra powder that I had on my face. Once I got rid of that, I decided to go in with a makeup setting spray, and the spray really just allows you to have all the product that you have on your skin blend out really nicely. And it makes it look a lot more seamless and flawless. So once I sprayed my face and I kind of let those products melt into my skin, I went back in with the foundation brush I used earlier and I just kind of pinched it to give me a more natural way to blend out my contour. And it still had some of my foundation powder, so it lightened up my contour as well. Now I'm going in with my Bobbi brown powder to just deepen up my contour and make sure that everything is set. And obviously I always also contour my nose because I love contouring my nose. I feel like it makes such a big difference. If you haven't tried it and you feel like you kind of would like to, you should, because I think it makes such a big difference on the way your face shape looks. Now going into the BECCA palette, I'm picking up that middle color to get some blush onto my cheeks. Once I'm all cheeked up, I'm going back in with another spray of the Makeup Forever setting spray. I just put it in this all-nighter bottle from Urban Decay. Now I'm going to line my eyelids. I'm using the Maybelline Kajal pencil and I'm putting that on my upper tight line, and I'm making sure to line that because it makes your lashes look a lot fuller. And I'm taking the same red color that we put in the crease and placing that on my lower lash line and blending that out. Also applying eyeliner to my bottom waterline because it allows your eyes to look a lot more full and it makes your lash line look a lot fuller as well. For highlight, I'm going into the Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is in the color Gold. I believe the actual name of it is Trophy Wife. It is the most beautiful highlight. It's so intense and so pretty. I just love it. And I'm hitting up the normal places that I would normally highlight. So the tops of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, and above my brow bone as well. And then obviously, you guessed it, one more time, I'm going to spray my face and make sure that really melts nicely into the skin. Now going into the palette again, I'm going to pick up this beautiful iridescent pink color and put that in the inner corner of my eyelid. For lips, I'm going in with this Tarte East lip paint, and on top of this, I'm going to go in with the Cashmere Velvetine from Limecrime. I love this lip combination, guys. I can't even tell you. I've been wearing it nonstop. I think it makes such a beautiful combination. Like, I can't even express to you how much I love this lip combo. If you guys like the combo, let me know because I really love it. It's become one of my favorites very, very quickly. And this is the completed look, guys. Tell me what you think. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I love this look. I think it's look perfect for a night on the town with your girls, or if you're going to date night. It's a little bit edgy, but it has that really glam effect as well. If you guys like this look, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. I would love to hear what you guys think or any comments or suggestions you have below in the comment section. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Don't ever forget you are so beautiful. Bye guys.